Here's an example of plastication during the day. You know, we've got that room all protected off. Looks like there's some painting going on. They're patching the ceiling. Here's that ceiling channel again. Here's what we're doing a real good job of texturing everything, making it match. But it also turns into a great time. Everybody wants to repaint anyway, right?
Yeah, that's the thing. So the affected walls, we paint those, like you said, from floor to ceiling, corner to corner. But then you've got that nice, pretty brand new wall. And then everybody is like, well, yeah. And as you can see, if you paint the wall here on the right side that wasn't affected behind the chair, that's a long wall. That's a lot of painting.
Right.
So
yeah. It turns into a good time to maybe do some updating as well. But yeah, and we can make the repairs blemish free. You'll never know we were there. So here's an example of plastication during the day. This is a kitchen. It's just all covered, no dust at the end of the day. Here's just the walkways, but this is your stuff is covered, as well as zip walls. We can do walls in the unit. They have a zipper so the guys can walk through them and zip it back up, and just a real good job. One of the big things, see, these people even left their artwork up. I mean, one of the big things is dust free, no paint, no debris, no anything, and you can live there, and we can help you work around that. Okay, if we're not doing it from the inside, sometimes it's easier to do it from the outside. Here's an example of this wet wall on these kitchens. It was a stack of kitchens, and it was just easier to pull the siding off. So we pulled the siding and the drywall and pulled the insulation out. And then we could do just in these 3 joist bays or stud bays, basically, we could do some new plumbing pipes. We could run up to pick up all these units and just deal with this little alcove area. And then if we run into some water damaged areas, we can mitigate that. We can clean that up, replace that. And we haven't touched the kitchen cabinets, the kitchen backsplash, the cabinets, just all that stuff. Just left it alone. And so sometimes we'll have clients saying, hey, while you're doing your siding project, why don't we talk about the plumbing project as well and get a little bit of a 2-for-1?
We understand throughout the process that this is horribly intrusive. And I always start my meetings with, yes, this really is going to kind of suck. Because like Jens was saying, we're in your most intimate space. We're in your bathroom. We're removing your toilet in your not necessarily all showers, but yeah, we're all up in your business.